Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techno DBA. This YouTube channel is created for DBAs to gain the knowledge and to learn how to perform day-to-day activities in everyday's DBA life. So today we are going to discuss about how to check if Statspack is installed or not. Basically, Statspack is a very important tool for DBA. It helps to investigate the performance issues in the database. So basically, it generates a report which will have number of sequels and number of parameters in it. Based on that, we can check and investigate the performance issue. So today we are just going to discuss about how to check if StatsPack is installed or not. There are a number of ways to check that. We're just going to discuss a few of them here. So number one is checking the perfstat user. Perfstat user is used in the installation of the Statspack, and if that user is present, then probably your Statspack is installed. Another way, let's check in my database if perfstat is present or not. Okay, let me log in. Select star from DBA users where username equal to perf start. So this user is not present in database, so Statspack is not installed. Another way is to check the table stats dollar database underscore instance. So basically, whenever Statspack generates reports or generates snap IDs, it stores its information in this table. So if this table is present, then probably your Statspack is installed. So I'm just checking if that is present or not using describe method. So describe and this. So you can see as we see in the first step itself, the Statspack is not installed, but we can check this way as well. Okay. Another method is running this sp report .sql file. So this is present under your admin directory. You can check there and run this report. I'll try to run and show you. It will throw errors. This present under Oracle home RD DMS, then admin, then report name. So it has thrown the error. It's same error that this particular table is not present. So basically these are the three methods. You can use any of them. I just discussed three methods to identify if Statspack is installed or not. So only one can confirm that first step can confirm itself that a Statspack is not installed. But we just discussed three methods. So that's it from that's it for the video. I will discuss further about how to install Statspack. It will be on another video. Thank you.